the food Vegas has to offer, why not taste it all with the help of your own personal tour guide? And joining me now is the founder of Finger Licking Foodie Tours. We have Donald Contursi joining us. And thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, so let's talk about this concept. How did you come up with it and what does it involve?
So many amazing restaurants in Las Vegas. Our experience takes you to 3 or 4 of the top ones, all in an afternoon or evening. And we have them throughout Las Vegas, Tivoli Village, downtown, the Arts District, Green Valley Ranch, on the various hotels on the Strip, Virgin Hotels, and we've launched self-guided food tours where, you know, it's great for couples, date night, Valentine's Day. Basically, you go to 3 restaurants all on your own. They have you all set up. You're seated right away. You get a tasting menu of the signature dishes, and the check's already paid for. You just restaurant hop, if you will.
Wow, and how did you come up with this idea?
Because there's so many great restaurants. I felt, you know, it was a great idea to sample the signature dishes from each one rather than just choosing one in one night. You know, get a nice little variety and see the neighborhood.
All right, and what are some of the options on the tour that people can take advantage of?
So one of my favorites is the Arts District. You get to go to Esther's Kitchen, Main Street Provisions, Jammyland. Another great option over is in Fremont East area downtown. Carson Kitchen, Therapy. You walk through downtown Container Park, 7th and Carson. One of the newest ones we have is over at the new Virgin Hotels. So Todd English's Olives, One Steakhouse, Night Market. So 3 top restaurants, takes about 2.5 hours. And we just launched a couple of new experiences. Takes you to 3 top pizza places throughout Vegas. And then later this month, we're doing the same thing for barbecue. So 3 top barbecue places. You get to decide on your own. The Vegas style, the Arkansas, the Texas style. So a nice little variety.
And I would imagine you're introducing the guests here to like a different Vegas experience because, you know, so often people think it's, oh, just the Strip, or even if they go to the Strip, you can't see all of it at once. But this is giving them a unique way to try to explore.
Absolutely, because you see the area in between. So, you know, as you're walking, you discover bars along the way. So it's off the beaten path. And of course, we do have our experiences on the Strip as well. So whether that's at Aria, Venetian, Resorts World. So we have off the beaten path as well as the glitz and glam of the Las Vegas Strip.
Yeah, and what's cool about it is that it's all considered to be a VIP experience. And of course, people come here for that type of treatment. Tell me why that was important.
So VIP, when it comes to dining, it was kind of never before heard of. But with this, you don't really have to wait at all for your table. It's already reserved for you. So you check in with the host or hostess at each restaurant. You're seated right away, and then your food comes out within minutes. So it's pretty much of a spectacle because you're in there, you sat, you know, you get a tasting menu presented before you. The check's already paid for because, you know, you purchased the Finger Licking tour in advance, and then you just walk to the next location, which is just a couple minutes. We give you a virtual guide that tells you a little background on each restaurant as well as helps guide you from restaurant to restaurant. Very simple, lots of fun. It's great, again, for locals for date night, especially with Valentine's Day coming up.
All right, sounds like a plan, Stan. And if people want to have more information, all they have to do is go to Finger Licking Foodie Tour as well, and they can find out all that information, fingerlickingfoodietours.com. And Donald, what a great idea. It's one of those times when you hear something, you're like, man, why didn't I think of that? Because there are so many things you could do here, so it makes perfect sense.
Yeah, once you try one, you're willing to try them all, and they're all fantastic. So we hope to have you, and we love supporting the different restaurants throughout Vegas.
All right, now you know what you can do every weekend if you wanted to. Thank you so much, and have a good one.